let's see how this works out, guys. And welcome to Goss-USA. And here I am going to do a little promo on the AR-1. It is completed, and I just wanted to show it off to you. Here is a box that I had, had refurbished it really. This was a old inkwell pen box that was just perfect for this project. So in any case, here, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, it has two little tabs, and here we go. That's the Goss-USA AR-1. Here's the Kydex sheath. I have a Tec-locking system hooked to it, and of course it's hooked to a 45-degree angle, and it's set up to, he can mount it any way he cares to once he gets his knife. Of course, there is the AR-1. See if we can get the lighting right. Getting quite a bit of shadow. So, I'm going to go ahead and stop this at the 2-minute mark, just so that I can make some more video, try to edit all together later. So, yep, that's the AR-1 from Goss-USA. If interested, I can make more. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.